Assalamualaikum students, this video is on chapter 3 integration exercise 3.1 question number 1. Question number 1 states find delta x and dy in the following cases where y is equal to x square minus 1 when x changes from 3 to 3.02. Part number 2, y is equal to x square plus 2x when x changes from 2 to 1.8. Third part, y is equal to under root x when x changes from 4 to 4.41. I will solve part number 1 and 3 and part number 2 will be left for exercise. Part number 1, y is equal to x square minus 1 when x changes from 3 to 3.02. Here x is equal to 3 and delta x is equal to 3.02 minus 3, which is equal to 0.02. As we know that from first principle, y plus delta y is equal to x plus delta x square minus 1. Moving y from this side to the other, delta y is equal to x plus delta x square minus 1 minus y. Putting the value of y, we get delta y is equal to x plus delta x whole square minus 1 minus x square minus 1. Opening this bracket changes all the signs in this bracket, which gives us x plus delta x whole square minus 1 minus x square plus 1. Minus 1 is cancelled by this plus 1, which gives us delta y is equal to x plus delta x whole square minus x square. Now putting the values of x and delta x in this equation, we get delta y is equal to 3 plus 0.02 whole square minus 3 square. 3 plus 0.02 gives us 3.02 whole square minus 9. The square of 3.02 is 9.1204 minus 9, which gives us delta y is equal to 0.1204. This is our first answer. Now for the second one, as we know that the statement is y is equal to x square minus 1, taking differential on both sides, dy is equal to derivative of x square and derivative of 1. Derivative of x square is 2x dx and derivative of a constant is 0. Now putting the values of x and dx, by multiplying we get dy is equal to 0.12. Moving on to part number 3, which is y is equal to delta x when x changes from 4 to 4.41. In this statement, x is equal to 4, delta x is equal to 4.41 minus 4, which is equal to 0.41. Now y plus delta y is equal to under root x plus delta x. Moving the value of y from left side to right side, we get delta y is equal to under root x plus delta x minus y. Putting the value of y, under root x plus delta x minus under root x, delta y is equal to 4 plus 0.41 minus under root 4. Now adding both these values, we get under root 4.41 minus under root of 4 is equal to 2. Under root of 4.41 is 2.1. Now delta y is equal to 2.1 minus 2, which is equal to 0.1. This is our first answer. Now y is equal to under root x. Taking differential on both sides, we get dy is equal to derivative of under root x, which is, now according to power rule, पावर पहले पावर में से एक कम, पावर के नीचे वाली रकम का डेरिवेटिव, विच इज dy is equal to 1/2 x minus 1/2 dx, which can also be written as 1/2 under root x dx. Now putting the values, we get 0.41 over 2 under root 4. By solving, we get 0.41 divided by 4, which is equal to 0.1025. This is our next answer. Now part number 1 and 3 have been solved. Part number 2 has been left for exercise.